Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Lesson 15, it consists of two parts. And first we're going to cover part A. In this lesson we learn the plurals of nouns and adjectives. In English, adjectives have no plural form. We say good man and good men, but in Arabic, even adjectives have plural form. In English, we have two kinds of plural form, sound and broken. Now remember, why are they bringing this up, the adjectives issue up? I think I briefly mentioned that if the thing that you're describing, the noun that you're describing, if it is dual, then the adjective has to be dual. For example, رجلان طويلان, two men, two tall men. Okay? And if you're describing a plural, then the adjective also has to be plural. رجال طوال. Okay, tall men. So in English, we have two kinds of plural form, sound and broken. And of course, it's not something that we even think about while we're speaking English. But in any case, it's good to know because they're going to compare that with Arabic. In the sound plural, the word retains its original form. For example, book, books, pen, pens. So all you have to do is put an S at the end of it and it becomes plural. This is the sound plural. In the broken plural, the original form of the word is changed to a great extent. For example, man, men, woman, women. So instead of putting an S at the end, the word itself got broken and the original shape of the noun lost its form. In Arabic, we have these two kinds of plural form, sound and broken. The sound plural is either masculine or feminine. The sound masculine plural has una ending. So Muslimun, Muslimuna. Why is it called sound? Because Muslimun retained its shape. And all you did was you put waw and a noon at the end of it. Became Muslimuna. Mudarrisun, Mudarrisuna. The sound feminine plural has an atun ending. So again, this is sound because the word Muslim, it retains its original shape, and all you did, you put atun at the end of it. Muslimatun, Muslimatun, Muhandisatun, Muhandisatun. So female Muslim, female engineer, the plural is Muslimatun and Muhandisatun. Note that in this plural form, the singular has a short a before the ta, Muslimatun, and the ta is round. Okay, so it's a, and then tun, a round ta. Whereas in the plural, the a is long, Muslima, and the ta is open. It's the boat-shaped ta, the long ta, that you will get at the end of the plural. In pronunciation, the only difference between the singular and the plural is the shortness and the length of a. Okay, so muslimatun, muslimatun, muslimatun. But this one, as they said, is written with a long ta rather than a round ta. Now the broken plural, unlike in English, the broken plural is very widely used in Arabic. And why is it broken? It means that the original word, it lost its shape. So therefore it's called broken. The wazn, these are the wazns, meaning the patterns that you will get those shapes in. Okay, fu'ulun, and remember this, that when you get fa, ayn, and lam, this is where the original root letters are being placed. This is the first position where the fa is, ayn is the second position, and lam is the third position. And anything other than that is known as harf za'id, an extra letter. So in this case, the waw is an extra letter. So fa, ayn, and lam, to put it in a different way, are the what we would say the X, Y, Z of grammar, of algebra. Similarly, the fa, ayn, and lam are the X, Y, and Z of the Arabic language. Okay, so fu'ulun, it is the plural form of najmun, nujumun. So Noon, Jim, and Meme are the original root letters, and it's a broken plural because this waw came in the middle of it. Najm star, the plural nujum. Fu'ulun, kitabun became kutubun, meaning the alif was deleted, so it lost its form. Fi'alun, jabalun, jibalun. Fu'alun, tajirun, tujjarun. أفعال قلم أقلام. فعلاء زميل زملاء. أفعلاء صديق أصدقاء. فعلة أخ إخوة. So إخوة is on the wazn of فعلة. The student is advised to learn the plural form of every new noun and adjective he learns. And why is that? Because there is no set rule for the broken plural. But generally speaking, what happens is when a person gets into the Arabic language, he will get used to the various plural forms. But because there's no set rule, you have to just rely on memory to know what the actual plural is. That's why they're saying that the student is advised to learn every new plural form. The plural of هذا and هذه is هؤلاء. For example, هذا تاجر هؤلاء تجار. This is a merchant, these are merchants. هذه مدرسة هؤلاء مدرسات. These are lady teachers. Note that هؤلاء is mostly used with human beings. Its use to refer to non-human beings is rare. See lesson 16 to find out what word is to be used with non-human beings. The plural of huwa, he, is hum, they, masculine. Unlike the singular huwa, the plural hum is used to refer only to human beings. For example, huwa mudarrisun, hum mudarrisuna. He is a teacher and all of them are teachers. The plural of hu, his, is hum. So, kitabuhum, baytuhum. Where is their house? Aina baytuhum. Where is their house? Abuhum tajirun shahirun. Their father is a famous merchant. Note that the words for they and their have the same form, hum. We have also learned dhahaba, he went. Now they went is dhahabu. So this waw at the end with a dhamma before it, it indicates that this is plural. Note that there's an alif at the end of the word which is not pronounced. So whenever you have this form of past tense, which is plural, you would get this silent alif at the end of it. Note that the pronoun that we have learned in this part of the lesson is masculine. We will learn the feminine pronoun in part B of this lesson. The word ba'du means some. For example, ba'duhum mudarrisun wa ba'duhum muhandisun. And this word ba'd is also used in Urdu, ba'z log. So for Urdu speakers, they should be able to understand this. Some of them are teachers and some of them are engineers. Then the exercises and the vocabulary. Ismun is the plural of Asma is the plural of ism, name. Fityatun is the plural of fata, young man. Tiwalun is the plural of tawilun, tall. Rijalun, the plural of rajulun, man. Tullabun, the plural of talibun, student. Annasu, people. Jududun, the plural of jadidun. Qisarun, the plural of qasirun, short. Dayfun, guest, the plural is duyufun. Hujjajun, the plural of hajjun, pilgrim. قرية, village. أصدقاء, plural of صديق, friend. حقل, field, the plural is حقول. المطعم, restaurant or mess. A mess is actually not the messy, dirty mess that we're talking about. A mess is kind of like a military term for the dining hall. Okay, so don't be fooled by this word. زملاء is the plural of zamilun, classmate. Abna'un, the plural of ibnun, son. Mujtahiduna is the plural of mujtahidun. Shaykhun, old man, learned man. The plural is shuyukhun.